Hello techies, welcome to Gowtham's Data. Let's continue on the interesting topic of part 2, what is testing in software industry. So there are few more key points that needs to be discussed as a part of this video. Let's get started techies. Common testing activities. So generally, common testing activities, it involves the testing planning, test design and test execution and defect reporting and tracking purposes. So test planning basically involves defining the scope, objectives, resources and schedule for the testing. And test design, it involves the creation of test cases based on specification and requirement. And test execution generally deals with running the test cases and recording the result and preparing it in documents. And defect reporting and tracking, it identifying and documenting all the defects and tracking for their resolution purpose. The next will be the performance testing. So performance testing is considered as one of the load testing, stress testing and performance profiling. So load testing involves and evaluates the system's ability to specific load of concurrent user request. And stress testing assesses the system's stability and performance under extreme conditions. The last one will be the performance profiling. It analyzes the system's performance to identify the bottleneck and the areas for improvement. And what is security testing? Security testing is help us to identify the vulnerabilities and weakness in a system security mechanisms to ensure that the sensitive data is always protected. And the last highlighted key point is regression testing. It ensures that new changes or updates to the software that do not negatively impact the existing functionality. So this is all about the highlights and the key points of testing in software. So as I'm concluding now, it is always effective testing is essential for delivering high quality softwares and reduces the new risk of defects and ensuring that the software meets user expectations and business requirement as well. Testing activities are typically conducted by specified individuals or teams known as a software testers or quality assurance QA professionals. So this is all about testing in IT. I hope you guys had a good overview about the testing, and will meet you in some other interesting topic in the upcoming video. Bye bye techies. See you. Take care.